Hello and welcome back to Developer's Diary. In the previous tutorial, we have learned about the cascading select list, or you can say the dependent LOV. In this tutorial, we shall learn about the buttons in Apex. So log in your Apex workspace, go to the app builder, choose an existing application. I'm going to use the same page that we have created in the previous tutorials. So first of all, we have a save button. Let's create delete button. Similarly, update button. So in the appearance, we have multiple options. Icon, text, and text with icon. So first of all, we choose the icon and set it hot button. Then we have a template option. In the template option, we have size, type, style, and icon hover animation. Then we have the button set weight, spacing left and right options. So first of all, this is the normal by default icon page, icon button of a check circle. Click save and run the page. So you can see this is the save button that we have created. This is the first button by default. Then we have the delete button, which is only text-based option. Then we choose the hot button and use the default setting for this. Click OK, save. Now we have the third option, which is icon with text. If we check circle, click save and use the default template option. We shall change the options for better understanding, but we are using the default option currently so that you can see the default option and then shall change these options. So you can see this is the icon based, this is a text based, and this is icon and text based button. Let's change properties. First one is size. We shall use small size. Then we have a type. We can use primary, danger, success. Let's say it's a say button too. So we shall use success. Then we have a simple option on an icon hover option. Click OK, save. Then in the delete button, we shall use the following options. Make it danger and change its style to remove UI decoration and size change to tiny. Click save. Then we shall use this option In the text with icon, we have hide label on mobile, hide icon on desktop. Then we have these options. In update case, we use primary style. We should use display and change icon. Click OK, save, and run that page. So now you can see that this one is the successful button uh, in the template success and with the small size and the decoration type is simple. You can see the border around the icon. Then we have a delete button, which is the danger option. Then we have tiny and remove decoration. It means there is no border around this button. Then we have the update, and in update we are using the large size primary and display as a link. And when we click or hover it, then the icon push away from here. Then we have the behavior. In the behavior, we have type standard and the action. In action, we have multiple options: submit button, trigger action, redirect to the page in application, redirect to page in the different application, redirect to URL, and defined by dynamic actions. So by default, we are using submit page. So this is all about the Apex buttons. So I hope you have learned something useful. See you in the next tutorial.